In this video, I'll show you how to add a DNS record to a domain in order to activate the email accounts. The process is quite straightforward, but I will do it because there is some some newness. The process might be very new for anybody at the first approach. Here I am inside of the Hostinger session. You can do it yourself. I am just recording this video because I think that I won't be able to do it today. But this is the process. You logging into the account in Hostinger, and inside there you will manage the account or the domain. You will find something like this. You will find the domain, and you will find the domains that are active. So you will enter in the domain that you desire to modify. In this case, the domain will be theinspiradagroup.com. You will enter, you will hit you will press the manage button. You enter in that section, and then you will go to the left side menu and go to the second tab that says DNS/name servers. You enter in that option, and you will find first one section that you won't modify, name servers. You leave that as it is. And the second section, that is manage DNS records. Here is where you are going to enter the DNS records. But I will show you something about this. Here I have the file that you are giving me right now. I want to show you how to enter this. So the process will be, you will find here like a kind of DNS record. They are separated by spaces typically, and here in the first row of that kind of DNS record, you will find the name of that record. I told you in the conversation by WhatsApp that we will need TXT records, MX records, SPF records, DKIM records. So in a file, you will have these two kinds of DNS records, but you will request also TXT records that will be added over here or up there. You will have MX records here in another section, and you will have DKIM records, and so on. So that will be the request that you will have to make. Then when you have those kinds of DNS records, it will be 5 in total, I think 5 or 6, yeah, because you will have these 4 plus these 2 that you have here. Okay, they will be 6. You will add them one by one in here in manage DNS records, and the process to add the records is as follows. Let me show you. You will first select the kind of record. For example, here you will see that these are CNAME records, right? Here you can see it, CNAME records, and these are CSRV records. This is the kind of record. Okay, CNAME and SRV, perfect. Where are you going to put this data? Here. In the account in Hostinger, you will first select the kind of DNS record. Here you can see CNAME and SRV. Why is this important? Because this is what defines the fields of data that you are going to enter here in Hostinger. So you will select, for example, SRV. Okay, when you hit the SRV option in this select box, you will have some fields, and here you will enter the data of these fields. For example, here in the Excel file, I have a port file, a wait file, priority, TTL, name, and target. Okay, perfect. So what would you do? Okay, you will say here it is asking for a name. Okay, you come here to the Excel file, and here it says name. Okay, the name will be at. Here you say this, the symbol. You will write here at. I'm sorry. You will write here at. Okay, here it is. Then it is asking for weight. Okay, what would you do? Here you will select weight, it is 1. Okay, weight 1, port, you will find it here. The port is 443. Okay, and target. Target would be this value over here. You will paste it over here. Priority, it says here that priority is 100. Okay, you put it in here, 100, and TTL will be 3600. Okay, you put it over here and you hit add record. I won't add it because I already added. You can see here I have a SRV, 2 SRV values that are these ones, the couple of values that you provide me in this file. So you will do this with each SRV, with each DNS kind of value, and that is the process. For example, these are SRV DNS records. The kind is SRV, and with CNAME you will repeat the process, but you are going to select here the kind. For example, CNAME asks for a different set of fields, so you will select when they give you that value. You will select, for example, MX. Okay, MX will give you this option, and actually MX is the one that controls the mail server, the email. So this is very important, and they didn't provide this data. That's why I am asking you to give me this, or to enter this in here. And this is TXT. I understood when I read the tutorials that these values are important for email. So this would be the process. You will do this with all the records that they will give you, and this should activate the emails. So I will add another step in this video. That will be, I will show you, well, I wanted to show you the conversation that I have in customer support, but I think that this will be, well, let me show you. I can show you over here. Here I will open the chat, and in the messages I can find the last conversation that I had. So here they said that, well, this is the conversation, and this is what they are asking me. I showed them the file in Excel, and I showed them that I added the records. So they are asking me for the TXT and the MX because they are so important for email. So that's why I asked you to make a request at least for these two. But finally, this person said to me that I need the MX, SPF, and DKIM. I think that, and that's why I requested you for these 4: TXT, MX, SPF, and DKIM. So this will be the fields required, and this will be the process.